Hello. So I have just created a new project in DigitalOcean and I'm going to create a new droplet here. It's a very simple process to create a droplet in DigitalOcean. So first you need to choose a region. Always choose a region which is near to you. So if you are in India, you can choose Bangalore. Or if you're from Pakistan or you're from any other country, so always choose the region which is nearest to you so you can have a better performance. So I am choosing Frankfurt at this moment. And for VMs, we have different operating systems available. We have CentOS, Debian, Alma, Rocky. So I'm going with Ubuntu 20 point it's 20.0, the latest version of Ubuntu. And then we have different options for droplet. So here you need to choose which kind of an droplet you need. Is it memory optimized, it is storage optimized, or it is general purpose? So right now I am using Feet here, so I'm going with basic and with the regular SSD, and I'm choosing this instance. And we have two authentication methods. One is the password based authentication, the other one is key based authentication. So let's see what is key based authentication. So in key based authentication, you need to add your SSH key, your it is very easy to generate your key. So in your command line you need to type ssh dash keygen and it will generate your key. One is public and other one is private, so you need to upload your private public key here and you can name your key. I have another video to generate an ssh key and upload that to different platforms like DigitalOcean, AWS, and GCP. So right now I'm going with password based authentication and I'm typing a password. So it is complaining about that I'm not using an uppercase letter in the end. Okay, so let me change this one. So that's it. And then you need to name your, you can set a host name for your droplet. So I'm using it as a first droplet. And the number of droplets is one, and you can also tag your, so if you have multiple teams and or a multiple projects you can add different tags. So right now I'm doing it as a test tag and let's create a droplet. And there is one other thing I will show you when you create that droplet, so you can do an ssh directly to that droplet once you get a public IP. So I'm just waiting for that public IP. So once that public IP is available, I can do an SSH on that. So I'll create another video how to create an SSH key, add that in DigitalOcean and access your VM. So this is my public IP. Okay, so the problem, you can see there is a problem. So the problem is very simple. It is saying that basically I don't have key-based authentication. So by default, DigitalOcean use key-based authentication, and with that key-based authentication, we need to add our key first into the VM. I will create another video to add that key and then access that VM. So one other way to access that VM is from the console itself. So I access that from the console itself. So let me enable the password based authentication, and here search for password based authentication. You need to enable it and restart SSH service. Okay, so now you can try again from here. Okay, okay. So now I'm able to access my DigitalOcean VM from this console. So you can use any terminal. If you are in Mac, you can use your terminal. If you are in Ubuntu, you can use your terminal. If you are using some third party like Putty